What is up, Fence fam? Joe Everest, the fence expert. Welcome to another hot take clip, a short clip of a recent live Q&A on my main YouTube channel. For more information on my main channel, as well as exactly the content this clip was pulled from, check out the description below. Terry says, how do you repair a leaning fence due to heaving? So I tell you what, so it's due to heaving. So it's throwing the post up out or pushing the post up out of the ground, if I can get my mouth to work correctly this morning. So frost heave is when a post is set above the frost line, meaning that the frost permeates through the ground below the post, and as it's freezing, it pushes everything up. Normally not a problem, unless you've got a fence post, a mailbox, any number of things. They'll actually push them up out of the ground. Terry, I tell you what, the only solution I'd have for you would be to pull the post, dig deeper, typically at least 6 inches below the frost line in your area, which could be pretty deep depending on the area. And then with frost heave being a worry, you'd also bell out the bottom. So the bottom of the post would be wider than the top of the post, so that ground gives you some support against frost heave. Not an easy repair, but that's how you do it right. So ASTM is 30 inches, so a minimum of 30 inches deep, or 6 inches more than the frost line, whichever is deeper.